Now, since this is requested by Daryl, he really wanted to eat some Filipino hot dog way. We don't have those Filipino red hot dogs, so we come up with that thing of like wrapping the hot dog with bacon. But to make it a little sweeter, we have to like roll the hot dog in a little brown sugar and then wrap it with the bacon. So right now our rice is cooking, and I have this pot which is already hot. We already preheated that, and I'm not going to put any oil. So we're just gonna put those hot dog with the bacon. Alright, and then yeah, I'm gonna put it all. Stop. So we're just gonna turn this that it will not be like burned. See, like that. You're gonna pay attention on this. And we're doing to all of this hot dog, and it's almost like finishing. Easiest way to cook egg, and the kids can do it by themselves. This is a single waffle maker. So just spray. And that's it. And what I do, I just spray in the tap also. Close it up. I'm going to show you how the egg looks like after cooking it for like a minute. So this is it. And then you just remove it. So easy. See? So we are Filipino. So I'm really trying to incorporate to my kids that we eat this kind of food. When they ask what's for breakfast, it's always rice. And this is what I made earlier, the hot dog and the egg. And that would be your breakfast with the ketchup. That's how mommy make breakfast. Thank you for watching my video.